What secrets hide within ancient walls? In sweeping aerial views, the ancient Temple of Tirumala emerges, majestic and mysterious. Dr. Arya Sharma, a determined modern historian, arrives questioning the temple's famed spiritual powers. His skepticism clashes with centuries-old legends and vibrant rituals. Guided by the serene Guru Prasad, he walks ancient pathways carved with timeless wisdom. Every step reveals intricate Dravidian architecture, and the gold-plated dome known as Ananda Nilayam, echoing prosperity and divine grace. Archival records whisper tales. In 2019, over 30 million devout pilgrims sought miracles and solace here. Amid fresh evidence and living traditions, doubts shift toward quiet wonder. Each fragile chant and flickering lamp illuminates secrets buried in history and myth alike. Mystical echoes quietly stir the heart and challenge cold reason. The temple stands as a living testament to India's cultural heritage, bridging rational inquiry with mystical belief. Dr. Sharma's journey transforms confrontation into respectful understanding. As ancient legacies speak softly to the modern skeptic, hearts and minds awaken to timeless truths. In this reflective montage, history dances with faith. Discover the blend of reason and magic that fuels Tirumala's enduring allure. Dive deeper into the mystique of Tirumala and uncover its timeless allure.